In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable a WordPress plugin. By the end, you'll understand exactly what deactivating a plugin does, where to find the right controls inside your dashboard, and how to confirm the change took effect without disrupting the rest of your site. First, a quick bit of context. Deactivating a plugin is a safe way to temporarily turn off its functionality without uninstalling it or losing its settings. This is especially useful when you're troubleshooting a conflict, testing performance, or simply taking a feature offline for a while. Unlike deleting, deactivation keeps the plugin files and configuration in place so you can turn it back on later with a single click. Inside your WordPress dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and head to Plugins, then select Installed Plugins. This page lists every plugin currently available on your site, both active and inactive. If you have many plugins, use the search field at the top right of the page to quickly locate the one you're targeting by name or keyword. You'll see each plugin displayed with its name, a short description, version details, and links underneath for actions like deactivate, settings, or delete, depending on the plugin status. Once you've found the plugin you want to turn off, click the Deactivate link that appears directly under its name. WordPress will immediately disable the plugin. You'll usually notice a confirmation message at the top of the screen, and the plugin's row may change appearance to indicate it's now inactive. That's it. The feature set from that plugin is no longer running on your site, but its files and settings remain intact for future use. After deactivation, visit a few pages on the front end of your site to make sure everything looks and behaves as expected. If the plugin provided visible features, like a contact form, slider, or widget, those may no longer appear, which is normal. If your site uses caching, you might need to clear it to see the change right away. Also note that some plugins, especially security or performance tools, can have widespread effects, so review any critical pages and workflows. If you decide you want the plugin back, return to the same Installed Plugins page. The plugin will now show an Activate link under its name. Click Activate, and its functionality will be restored using the previous configuration. And that's the entire process. Go to Plugins, open Installed Plugins, find the plugin, and click Deactivate. It's a quick, reversible way to manage features and troubleshoot without removing anything permanently.